Fabulous 103 FM with Kru Fon at Thai Time. Good morning.
สวัสดีค่ะ
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are we going to learn today?
Wash the clothes. Like
Do the laundry.
Yes, but like you do it with your
hand.
Yes, most of the Thai people are still doing it
You
because
think so?
they don't have the wash machine.
Everybody has a washing machine now.
No. Otherwise, do you see a lot of shops that open lately?
Yes,
Like
laundry.
yes.
Laundry.
So it's ซักผ้า
Sakpa
ซักผ้า
is to do the laundry by hand.
Yes, or actually, yeah, you can do it with the machine as well.
So
ซักผ้า
to do the laundry is
Yes.
sakpa.
ซักผ้า
So what's a laundry shop called?
ร้านซักผ้า
Ran sakpa
Correct.
is a laundry shop because
Yes.
sakpa is to do the laundry.
Correct.